adventures. It's a lovely warm night in Springland. Everyone is already fast asleep. There's Honk the car. Tonight, there's a special surprise in Springland. Toot the boat has invited Honk to come to the harbor. Honk loves nighttime. Listen to those sounds. Can you hear the owl, the crickets, the frogs croaking? Honk knows this sound. It's Swoosh Swoosh, the helicopter. "Oh, are you going to see the special surprise too?" whispers Honk. "Yes," whispers Swoosh Swoosh back. Honk and Swoosh Swoosh don't know what the surprise is yet. There's Toot the boat. Look at how high the water is. The sea looks very full. "What is the surprise, Toot? Please tell us," asks Honk, really wanting to know.
"Can you see how high the water is?"
asks Toot. Honk and Swoosh Swoosh could see that the water in the harbor is very full.
"When the water is high, we call it high tide. Once a month, something special comes that makes the waters rise,"
explains Toot. Honk and Swoosh Swoosh wanted to know what could make the sea so high. Look, there's Wally the whale.
"Is it time yet, Wally?"
asked Toot. "Okay, everybody, close your eyes and don't open them until I tell you," says Toot.
"You can open your eyes now,"
calls Toot. Wow! The beautiful full moon over the sea. Now that's a surprise worth waiting for. Wally and his friends from the sea are enjoying the light from the moon. Now it's time for bed. Honk is very happy since he got to see the full moon. Honk can easily find his way back home. Thanks, Moon. Thanks for shining so brightly. Adventures. It's a lovely evening in Springland. Good night, birds. Sleep tight, bunnies. There's Honk the car. And Swoosh Swoosh the helicopter. They're up late. Look, Toot the boat is getting ready to sail out to sea. Wally the whale is going on a long journey, far across the sea.
Thanks for coming to wave goodbye,
says Wally the whale. Have a safe journey, Wally, says Honk. Wally's family are calling him. Toot will guide Wally out of the harbor.
Are you sure you can make it home in the dark, Honk? Swoosh swoosh?
Asked Toot. Honk and Swoosh Swoosh aren't afraid of the dark. Their headlights will show them the way home. Toot doesn't have a light. How is Toot going to find his way in the dark?
Oh, don't worry about me,
chuckles Toot.
That old lighthouse always shows me the way back to Springland.
Bye, Wally! Suddenly, it was cold and getting quite dark. Honk and Swoosh Swoosh knew it was time to go home. It's a tiny bit scary being alone in the dark, but Honk is very brave. The wind has made the sea rough. Poor old Toot must sail on the top of the bumpy, choppy waves.
That's far enough, Toot,
shouts Wally the whale.
Thanks for showing me the way, old friend. I think I better head back,
shouts Toot.
I'll follow the light back to Springland.
Oh dear, the lighthouse has stopped working. How will Toot find his way back to Springland? Honk knew that sound. Toot needs help. What's happened to the light from the lighthouse? Honk knew Toot would never find his way back in the dark.
I'm lost,
thinks Toot.
How am I going to find my way back to Springland?
Honk had a very good idea. His lights would help Toot find his way back home. Come on, Toot, shouts Honk. Follow my headlights. Phew, that was lucky. Toot knew which way to go.
Thank you, Honk,
says Toot the boat.
You're the bravest and cleverest little car in the world. That lighthouse needs fixing in the morning.
Look, the full moon. The wind has stopped blowing. Springland looks so lovely at night. Honk the car! The hero of Springland, everybody!
Hip hip hooray!
It was time to go and watch the lighthouse being fixed. It was another day of adventure in Springland. Adventures. It's a lovely day in Springland. Morning, Woofy. Morning, Busy Bunnies. Morning, Lolly the lamb. Look! There's Honk the car. Lolly is trying to hide away from Honk. Boo! Bleats Lolly the lamb in her biggest voice. Honk knew Lolly wanted to play a fun game. You gave me a big fright, Lolly. Do you want to play hide and seek? Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, calls Honk. I'm coming to find you, ready or not. Oh dear, Lolly didn't find a very good hiding place. It was very easy for Honk to find Lolly. Honk thinks he's found a good hiding place. Listen to Lolly. She's only little and can't count so well. Who's going to help Lolly count to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, counts Lolly the lamb. What comes after 4? 5, 6, 8, no, 7, 8, 9. What's the last number again? I remember 10. Oh dear, how will Lolly find Honk? Look, there's Swoosh Swoosh, the helicopter. Honk, why is your head stuck in that silly old hedge? Calls Swoosh Swoosh. Did you lose something in the hedge, Honk? Calls Swoosh Swoosh. Oh dear, Swoosh Swoosh is going to show Lolly where Honk is hiding. Go away, Swoosh Swoosh, whispers Honk. I'm playing hide and seek, and I don't want Lolly to find me. There you are, Honk, bleats Lolly the lamb. I'm the cleverest sheep in Springland. It was now Swoosh Swoosh's turn to hide. Look, there's Toot the boat. Morning, Toot, calls Honk. We are playing hide and seek. Have you seen Swoosh Swoosh? Toot didn't want to give away Swoosh Swoosh's secret hiding place.
Swoosh Swoosh, let me think. Where could Swoosh Swoosh be?
Pretends Toot. Shh! Be quiet, Woofy, whispers Swoosh Swoosh. If you keep barking like that, they'll find me. And Honk and Lolly did. It was now Woofy's turn to run and hide. Hide and seek is a fun game for a sunny day. Who wants to play? Adventures. It's a lovely day in Springland. Look at all those lovely colors in the rainbow. Morning, Swoosh Swoosh the helicopter. Morning, Porky Pigs. Morning, cow. There's Honk the car. Honk and Swoosh Swoosh are going to play a special game today. Are you ready, Swoosh Swoosh? Close your eyes, calls Honk. I spy with my little eye something that is yellow, says Honk. You can open your eyes now. The clouds, says Swoosh Swoosh. But Swoosh Swoosh was wrong. The clouds aren't yellow. The clouds are white. I know. The baby ducks are yellow. Clever, Swoosh Swoosh. The baby ducks are yellow and nice and fluffy. I spy with my little eye something that is bright red, says Swoosh Swoosh. Oh, that's easy. The piglets, calls Honk.
No.
Honk was wrong. The pigs aren't bright red. They're a pink color. I know, I'm red. Yes, you're also red, Honk, giggles Swoosh Swoosh, but you can't fly. At last, Honk saw the bright red, beautiful butterfly. I Spy is such a fun game to play. I spy with my little eye something green, calls Honk. Come on, Swoosh Swoosh. Honk has given you an easy one.
I know,
Calls Wriggly the worm.
the grass is green. I'm also green. I'm a green wriggly worm.
Honk and Swoosh Swoosh told Toot about the game they were playing. Toot also wants to play I Spy.
I spy something white,
Says Toot. The waves are white, shouts Honk.
The clouds!
I spy something blue, shouts Swoosh Swoosh. Honk and Toot tried to guess the answer. The sky is blue. The sea is blue. I know. Swoosh Swoosh is blue, calls Honk. Honk and Swoosh Swoosh played I Spy with Toot for the whole day. Have fun, everybody. It's a lovely day in Springland. Morning, Honk the car. There's Swoosh Swoosh the helicopter. Swoosh Swoosh is in a big hurry. Hurry, Honk, we have a job to do, calls Swoosh Swoosh. Swoosh Swoosh told Honk that Mr. and Mrs. Porky are going to town, and Honk and Swoosh Swoosh have to look after the little piggies. Mrs. Porky told the piglets that Honk and Swoosh Swoosh would look after them.
They all promised to be very good and not to get dirty.
Mrs. Porky tells Honk. Just make sure none of them get lost, says Mr. Porky. Hey, come back here, calls Honk. Honk and Swoosh Swoosh knew that looking after these piggies wasn't going to be easy. Stop! Come back here! Shouts Swoosh Swoosh. Honk and Swoosh Swoosh going to look after these piggies if they don't stay together? I've lost 2, calls Swoosh Swoosh. Mine have also gone, complains Honk. There's Toot the boat. Toot the boat always knew best. Toot told Honk and Swoosh Swoosh that the only way to keep all the piglets together is to keep them busy.
If you play a game, the piglets won't run away,
says Toot. Honk knew just what to do. Who wants to play a special game? Calls Honk.
Please, can we play?
Call the piggies. Honk's plan was working. The game would keep all the piggies together. Honk explained to the piggies how to play the game. The piggy with the blindfold must find another piggy without looking. What a fun game to play. Honk and Swoosh Swoosh kept the little piggies busy for the whole day, and none of them tried to run away or got lost. Here come Mr. and Mrs. Porky. Oh dear, some of the piggies are still covered in mud. Mr. and Mrs. Porky were very happy. Their little piggies were all together and nice and clean. Well done, Honk and Swoosh Swoosh. Have fun, everybody. The adventures. It's a lovely day in Springland. Morning, ducks. Morning, sheep. Morning, Honk the car. What was that? Thinks Honk. What mysterious creature is speeding through Springland? There's Swoosh Swoosh the helicopter. Does Swoosh Swoosh know? It's a puppy dog. Springland has a new friend. Woof, woof. What's your name, doggy? Asked Swoosh Swoosh. I know. We'll call you Woofy. Woofy the dog, calls Honk. Honk and Swoosh Swoosh decide to go and tell Toot about their new friend. Oh dear, Woofy is still just a pup. He needs proper training. There's Toot the boat. Luckily, Toot knows about dogs. Don't play so rough, Woofy, complains Honk. Woofy is still a puppy and gets very excited.
Honk,
Warns Toot.
you must not make Woofy too excited by honking all the time.
Toot explains that every puppy needs to be kept calm, be well looked after, and taught how to behave.
Woofy is not allowed on the road,
Explains Toot the boat.
Roads are very dangerous for dogs.
Honk has a very good idea. A new game for Woofy. Sit, Woofy, shouts Honk. Honk is teaching Woofy how to look after the sheep.
Do we really have to play this game?
Complains Lolly the lamb. Honk explains that Woofy needs to learn to do things and that the new game will be fun. The sheep decided to play. Honk's plan was working. Woofy was learning to herd sheep, and he was getting more and more tired. Good dog, Woofy, calls Swoosh Swoosh. Thank you, sheep, for playing with Woofy and wearing him out. Honk tells Toot and Wally all about how they taught Woofy to herd sheep. Tomorrow, I am going to teach Woofy how to fetch a ball, says Honk. That should keep him nice and busy. Their happy adventures. It's a lovely breezy day in Springland. Morning, rabbits. Morning, birds. Morning, Honk the car. Honk is very excited. He wants everyone in Springland to watch him play with his balloon. Honk tells the sheep that his balloon can bounce up and down. Fluffy and Floppy, the bunny rabbits, always love to play with Honk. Balloon games are such fun. There's Torty the turtle. Oh dear, Honk must look where he's driving.
Stop, Honk! Stop!
Shout the rabbits just in time. Phew, that was close. Lucky the rabbits warned Honk. Oh no! Honk stopped so quickly, his balloon is blown away. Poor Honk wants to go catch his balloon, but Torty is in the way. Come on, Slowpoke. Honk tried his best to be patient. Look, it's Swoosh Swoosh the helicopter. Hey, Honk, did you lose your balloon? Calls Swoosh Swoosh. Honk admitted it was true. Please, can you help? Asks Honk. No problem, Honk, shouts Swoosh Swoosh. Swoosh Swoosh to the rescue. But the more Swoosh Swoosh and Honk chase that clever balloon, the further it blows away. Is Honk's balloon magic? How will they ever catch it?
I know why you can't catch your balloon.
Bleats Lolly the lamb. But Honk and Swoosh Swoosh didn't hear Lolly. They were too busy chasing that crazy balloon. Don't think you can trick us, you silly old balloon, shouts Honk. Hey, I know why you were flying away from us, calls Honk. Honk knew the answer. Come back, swoosh swoosh, nice and slowly, calls Honk. A surprised swoosh swoosh does just what his friend asked. Okay, swoosh swoosh, now you can land and stop your propeller. The little helicopter doesn't understand. Honk has to explain. The wind from Swoosh Swoosh's propellers made the balloon fly further and further away. Isn't that a surprise, everyone? Says Honk. Have fun, everybody. It's a wet and rainy day in Springland. Where is everybody? Morning, ducks. There's Honk the car. Poor Honk. It's no fun waiting and waiting for the rain to stop. There's Woofy the dog. Honk hopes Woofy doesn't make him wet. Come on, Woofy, shouts Honk. Look what you've done. Now I'm all wet. There's Swoosh Swoosh the helicopter. Above the rain cloud, it is bright and sunny. I hope it has stopped raining down there, thinks Swoosh Swoosh. The little helicopter really wanted to play with his best friend, Honk. Oh dear, it's still raining under that gray cloud. Swoosh Swoosh doesn't like rain very much when it stops you from playing with your best friend. What's that sound? There's Toot the boat. Toot is calling his little friends to come down to the harbor. Honk knew that sound. It was Toot calling everyone to come and listen to a story. I can't wait for this rain to stop, announced Honk.
Can't wait, huh? That reminds me of a story,
says Toot.
Would you like me to tell you a story? Oh dear, I think I've forgotten the story. No, what was it?
Says Toot.
Oh yes, the little caterpillar who needed to learn patience. Once upon a time, long, long ago, there was a bored little caterpillar stuck inside a cocoon, waiting and waiting with nowhere to go and nothing to do. Why am I stuck inside this silly old cocoon? This is so boring. I want to play outside, said the caterpillar. I wish I wasn't me.
Toot told his friends how every day the little caterpillar wished and wished she could go outside to play.
Let me think. What happened next?
Sighs Toot. I know, says Honk. After waiting in the cozy cocoon, one day the caterpillar woke up and she wasn't a caterpillar anymore.
Oh, yes,
Smiles Toot.
the caterpillar had turned into a beautiful butterfly and wiggled out of her old cocoon and flew away to play in the sunshine.
At last it was sunny again, and time to play outside. The sky is filled with butterflies, and Springland has a special rainbow. Look! Honk and Swoosh Swoosh knew the rainbow was worth waiting for. Honk and Swoosh Swoosh were off to find the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Have fun. It's a lovely day in Springland. Morning birds, morning sheep. Morning Honk the car. What is Honk looking at? Honk is making a map. A map helps you find your way. There's Swoosh Swoosh, the helicopter. Hello, Honk, calls Swoosh Swoosh. What's that you're hiding? Asks Swoosh Swoosh. I can't tell you. It's a secret, says Honk. I need to be alone if you don't mind, says Honk. Honk doesn't want anybody to see him this morning. He has a surprise for his friends. There's Toot the boat.
Morning, Swoosh Swoosh. Why are you looking so sad?
Asked Toot. Honk is my best friend, but he doesn't want me to know his secret, complains Swoosh Swoosh.
Maybe Honk's secret is a surprise,
chuckles Toot.
Why don't you find something to do on your own?
Poor Swoosh Swoosh doesn't understand. Hey, you're messing up my map. Please be careful and watch where you're walking, complains Honk.
Come along.
Quacks Mother Duck. Mother Duck also doesn't understand. Honk would be just fine if everyone would just leave him alone for a few minutes while he works out his surprise. The porkies are very nosy. Honk hopes the hungry piglets don't try and gobble up his map.
Come along, piglets. Honk needs his map.
Oinks Mrs. Porky. Poor Honk. Nobody understands. He just needs to work out his surprise on his own. Swoosh Swoosh is hoping Honk is now ready to play. Poor Swoosh Swoosh didn't mean to blow away Honk's map. What's on that paper, Honk? Calls Swoosh Swoosh. I told you, Swoosh Swoosh, it's a secret. Now please go away until I'm ready. Honk, please tell us what the secret is, calls Swoosh Swoosh. Not yet, calls Honk. I'm still not ready.
I'm sure Honk has a very good reason for wanting some time just for himself,
explains Toot.
Honk is our friend, and we must all be patient.
Hey everybody, I'm back, and guess what? Shouts Honk. I can show you my secret. I have worked out a new game, all on my own. My game is called Follow the Map. Who wants to play? But what's a map? Asks Swoosh Swoosh.
A map is like a picture. It shows you where you are and where you need to go,
explains Toot the boat.
Honk's map will help you find your way on a new adventure.
Everyone loves playing follow the map. I know. We go this way. Follow me, everybody, calls Swoosh Swoosh. Where is your map taking us, Honk? Calls Swoosh Swoosh. You'll see, Swoosh Swoosh. I'm sharing my secret with everybody. We're all going to a new place to play. At last, everyone in Springland was happy again. Everyone had a new game to play, thanks to Honk.